Hello, good afternoon, good morning. Alexandra here, creator and founder of Stress to Wealth Movement. Let me ask you a question. Are you tired of not being able to make money online, or tired of all the opportunities that people promise you that will make you money but that don't work? If you are, just stay tuned with me. I will be sharing with you some good information that will be very valuable to you and will show you exactly how you can start making some extra money using the internet. In this video I also will show you as well a opportunity that I partner with. It's called $25 one up. I will give you a breakdown on exactly what it is about, and exactly how you can start making money with it. As you can see right here, if you don't know who I am, I'm just going through a cold, and excuse the voice. So that's me. I wanted to show you that I'm a real person, a live person. So let's just dive in the video. I will give you a little rundown of the back office. Since I just signed up, I won't be able to show you the full back office, but I'll be upgrading soon. Then I will make another video to show you exactly what it is. I was already logged in, but let me refresh the video so I can show you exactly what's going on. Okay, this is a backup. The back office is reloading. Company is called $25 new opportunity, and is really growing out at a really fast rate, because people are really making money with it. People are growing with it, so it's growing out at a really fast pace. And if you're really looking for to make some money, this is your time to get in, because that's the time to be making the money, is when, like, strength training. $25 one up is a done for you system. Is a training platform that will teach you exactly how to make money online, and also how to promote on social media. They have like different packages. You start at the Go package. A Go package, like, to start up, is $25 to start up. For the $25 package and there's a one-time $10 hosting fee, just for because it's done for your system. You have to get your hosting fee. You already know, when you got a website, you gotta get hosting fees, and for them to be able to send emails for you to get your website set up, because they get your own capture page, your own website that will do all the selling and telling for you. So they just charge a one-time fee of $10 to be able to do that. And what's good about this company is because, like, it's not like something like other opportunity that you have to pay for monthly ordership, because I know about monthly ordership, I know about monthly fees for other opportunity, but this one is just a one-time investment, and you don't need to worry about it. All you gotta worry about is promote it and make money. And the lowest level is $25, and that will give you the potential to earn unlimited $25 payment. Once you do that, once someone sign up with you and they pay their $10 hosting fee and they pay their $25, you make 100% commission. So they pay their $25, the money will go right to you instantly. It's not something that you have to wait for like a week or so. You get paid instantly, and, like, I love weekly pay, but daily pay is even better, and that's why I'm loving it, because I want to be able to access my money right exactly I make myself, and not have to wait a week to get access to it. And which is what I love. That's why I joined in the first place, because I saw the potential of it. In the $12 level, this is what you'll get. You'll get missing how you get like, in a second, it's loading. Okay, for the $25 level, you get a pre-written ad. I won't be able to click on it, so you can see the value. There's a lot of ad, like, especially if you're the type of person that kind of struggle on what to say in your ad to attract people to you. They already got ads written there for you to, like, that you can copy and paste and just post them on your profile. Even if you use Facebook, Instagram, whatever the platform that you use, you just copy the ad and post it on your profile, and that will attract people to you. They will start information, and that's how you're gonna start making your sales. And you have also the ad copy cheat sheet, because you already know The fortune is in the follow-up and the ad copy. If you're not saying stuff that's attracting people to you, they will never sign up. And also got the cheat sheet video. You got 50 ways to make money in any business. You have mindset training, everything that will help you success. Like some people might say, okay, am I gonna be successful with it? Because I have like a lot of training in there to get you successful. All you gotta do is just plug yourself into the training, and as you already know, you gotta bring traffic, when people to you, present the opportunity. Because if you have an opportunity and you're not offering it to people, you're not presenting it to people, nobody will know that you have it, so you're not making sale. And I wanted to point out to people also that I joined. What's today? Today is August 3rd, if you're watching this video for the first time. And I joined basically yesterday around 5 o'clock in the morning. So, and because of what I'm doing, that's attracted leads to me, and it's only been like almost 48 hours. It will be 48 hours by tomorrow at 5. And you see, because I copied their ad and everything, and I went to the training of what they presented, I already got people signing up with me. And so far I have, hold on, it's loading so it can see your actual count. So far I have 157 people that see my website, and this is the 42 emails sent. Those emails I did not send them myself, just to let you know. As soon as someone signed up on my capture page, I got more than 34 contacts. And every time someone sign up and with their email on my capture page, the system automatically send them an email on my behalf and following up with them until they sign up for me. And today is I already have 6 referrals, and I'm on the $25 level right now. So, and that's why it's called $25 one up. What that means is because your second sale will be passed up to your sponsor. So, and this is how it works. My first sale, I will keep. The second sale will be passed up to my sponsor, and that will qualify me to make unlimited $25 payment until I upgrade. I will be upgrading really soon. So, because I want to make sure that I wanted to understand the system first before I upgrade, and I see it's a great system and I really like it, so I will be definitely upgrading. Right now the platinum level is $100 to upgrade, and they will be adding more packages. They will be adding a 250 package and a $500 package to give people more access to make more money. So out of those 6 referrals, already know it's 5 that's mine, and this so, and one of them is going to my sponsor. So basically for today only, so you can make the count $25 times 5. So far I'm already making, I'm good at math, I'm so sorry. So far today I already make $125, and all I did is copy and paste the training that they have in this back office and have people signing up with me. I'm basically home chilling. That's why I couldn't show my face. I'm just chilling. I'm looking like a mess, so it's not like I'm going crazy, talking to people. No, none like that, because I have a system in place that I will be giving you as well. When you partner with me, I will be showing you exactly what I'm doing to attract people to me, so I don't have to go out there cold message people. I know some people encourage people to do that. Me, I do not cold message. That's why I position myself to get my leads and attract people to me, so I don't have to do that. And when you partner with me, I will be sharing those same techniques that I'm using, so you don't have to go chase your friends and family and have them come to you as well. And one more thing, and when you sign up for the packages, you will get your own capture page. They have capture page. All you gotta do is choose the one that is more appealing to you, and whichever one you choose, the system will be plugged in. When you sign up, see that one, the software that is you, then plug in everything for you. And once they make their payment, even they make their payment with PayPal, their credit card, debit card, I heard that they can make their payment with even Cash App, like any pay method that's authorized by authorized net. They can make their payment with that. And also the best part of this is a worldwide opportunity. Usually I do US only, and a lot of people wasn't able to sign up with me because they are either in the Canada or based in out of the US, and they couldn't sign up with me. But in this opportunity, I'm loving it because it's a worldwide. Anywhere in the world they can sign up, as long they have like they can sign up either with PayPal. They have a valid credit card that is authorized to make a international payment. They can sign up and start making money as well. Like you can see, all of those is training that's set up that's to help you succeed. We have a testimonial group. Once you sign up, I will be plugging you to our testimonial group so you can see the payment proof that you can use also to post. That you can use also to post, and we have also a Facebook support group. Once you join it, that you can ask questions if you feel like you need something. That's the fastest way to get your response. And also when on your sponsor profile, that's where you will be plugged to your sponsor's business, because that system gives you also the opportunity to promote any other affiliate program that you have. But that option is on the $100 level. If you want to get more access to more stuff, that's why I encourage anybody that join, like, don't just stay at the $25 level, because the main the main money is at the $100 level, or the other packages that they will be adding. Because this is how it works. Let's say someone sign up to your capture page, and after they pay their $25, or they pay their $35, and they decided they want to upgrade right away. If you did not have that $100 package yourself, your commission will be passed up to the next person in line. Let's say your sponsor did have the platinum package and you did not. If somebody else signed up for the platinum package, you won't be getting that $100. Your sponsor will, and you don't want to lose on any money. That's why you want to position yourself to get as much as possible, and to put yourself into getting unlimited $125 payment, because you can see this add up really fast. Let's say you make one sale every single day, that's $100, $125 every single day. And let's say you're working 6 days a week and you take Sunday off, $125 every single day times 6 days, you're making an extra $750 every week. That's not bad, and that's on a part-time level. I'm just saying this with just one sale a day. Let's say you're making just like I just showed you, make like 5-6 sales a day. Imagine how much money you can make without killing yourself to drive yourself crazy. This is a really good opportunity, and I'm so excited. I have other opportunity that I have as well that I'm promoting. I'm in my econ as well. That's a great opportunity, and I can also plug you into that. But this opportunity I do as well, because I'm learning the system. I will be updating you guys to more stuff. I'll be doing more video about this to upgrade my journey with this opportunity and my other opportunities as well, because my plan is to help a lot of people switch from stress to wealth. Because a lot of people coming to me, even me, I was there myself. I was always worried about having a bill to pay, being broke all the time. I've seen the bottom. I've been there. I know what it is, being homeless, losing everything I have, building a business opportunity that didn't work. And I've seen it, and I want to help people not fall in the same stuff that I did. And that's why I choose that movement, to switch people from being stressed and bring them to work, because there's money out there to be made. It's just us that have to position ourselves to know where the money is and to go get it. And you might be wondering as well, because there's a lot of people so far, because this opportunity is growing like crazy. It's like wildfire right now. A lot of people joining in. A lot of people, you can see a lot of videos are being made, and everybody's telling you to join them. And you might be wondering, if you partner with me, I'm sorry, you can see I have a lot of messages coming in. This is what I'm telling you. That's what I'll be teaching you. When you partner with me, you're gonna be busy, because you have people coming to you every single minute asking you for information, and and that's the best part of it. And when you partner with me, I will be giving you some great bonuses that you will love. If you partner with me with the $25 level, I will be giving you, even though you have those extra training that's in there that can help you, I will personally giving you my Facebook attraction marketing cheat sheet that will teach you exactly how to build your profile to success and attract people to you, because I'm a big fan of attraction marketing and to teach people how to bring themselves. I have this ebook, is a free ebook. When you partner with me with the $25 level, I will give you that ebook to teach you exactly what you need to do every single day, what you're supposed to post, and how you're supposed to post to attract people to you. I'll be giving you that completely free. That's for the $25 level. That's why I encourage people to sign up with a $100 level, $100 level to go platinum with me, because I'll be upgrading really soon. Once you partner with me with the $25 level, I will be giving you, number one, I'll be giving you the attraction marketing cheat sheet, and I'll be giving you let's say, how many leads should I give you? I'll be giving you 1,000 leads for free to start like sending your opportunity to them, to get them to buy what you have to offer. And also, when you get with me with the $125 level, I will be also giving you a vacation voucher to one of our 13 nights destination. The only thing that I ask is like that you read the fine print of the voucher, because there's some stuff that they will be asking. The voucher is to pay for the hotel room only, and it will be your responsibility to pay for the tax and resort fee, which is usually like $20 to $50 max, depending on the location that you choose. If you have children, I really recommend the Orlando location, because they are the only one that accept children. But if you by yourself, you're single, you can choose any other location, and all you gotta do is bring your kids, bring some extra cash to have some fun, and then the room is covered. Like, the value of this room usually is from $300 to $1,500, depending on the location, and the voucher will take care of that. All you gotta pay is the state tax and the resort fee, which is barely anything compared to the location you'll be going and how much fun you'll be having. So, and also, I want, for the $25 level, I think I'm gonna give you I'll give you 500 days. How that sound? When you partner with, I'll give you again, for the $25 level. When you join with me, I'll give you 500 leads for free to start building your business, and my Facebook attraction marketing cheat sheet. And if you partner with me with the $125 level, you get the attraction marketing cheat sheet, 1,000 free lead, and a free vacation voucher to one of our 13 destinations to go have some fun and use the money that you make. You have up to 18 months to travel. Even you say, okay, I cannot go travel right now, the voucher is good for up to 18 months. So you have time to plan out, do what you gotta do. I won't keep this video long. I will put the description of everything in the description below. Just click on the link to sign up with me, and message me on Facebook as well once you sign up, so I can plug you to the training right away, so I can get you started with the training and to show you exactly what you need to do. Because after you sign up, I will be setting up a meeting with you so we can explain exactly how everything works. I won't be leaving you alone to do everything by yourself. We'll go to the back office and then help you set up everything and to get you started, and so you can start promoting and start making money right away. I hope to see you on my next video. Looking forward to work with you. Have a good day.